We have Fiona's starter, all back and pretty and ready to go and rebuilt. Good old Ace Alternator up there in Yucca. Only game in town. And they deliver.
Ace.
Oh yeah, shout out to Ace for sure. And they deliver. They brought me this in
good.
Palm Springs.
That's even better.
Oh yeah.
Unless you're going to Pappy and Harriet's.
Yeah. Yeah, if I got to go up that way, I drop everything off. But usually I can call them and they'll be like, yeah, we'll be down there on Tuesday. We'll just come by. So, Ace Alternator. They do ship, by the way. So, if you anywhere in the country, you can send it to Ace. So we got that back.
Ace is the place.
Ace is the place. I think that's a different Ace, but
Oh yeah.
but we won't.
It's kind of catchy, ringy tone to it though.
We buy a lot of stuff there too.
Need something to shove in that hole.
Wick's epoxying the little holes from when the grease zerks got drilled. Then this will be hit with diamond clear. We got another goodie back. Senor Justin cranked on the tranny. He's like, I want to get this done. I want this out of here. Well, he sent me. Well, he's got your Muncies next. So he's got that too. But he sent me a text at 11:30 last night with a picture of this saying, come get it in the morning. So I lugged this out of the bed of his truck at his house at 6:58 this morning. But she's ready. She's done. She's fresh. Solid. Justin Peck built goodness.